Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learnoverse. Today we're talking about something super important: habits. Not the good ones, but the tiny little bad habits that silently invite diseases into our lives. And trust me, you'll be surprised. How simple things like eating too late or skipping meals can actually harm your health. So let's dive right in. Number 1, hypertension or high blood pressure. Now, you've probably heard that salt is bad for you. But here's the fact. Too much salt actually stiffens your blood vessels and raises your blood pressure. The World Health Organization recommends less than 1 teaspoon of salt per day. But most of us eat double that without even realizing. Number 2, diabetes. One sneaky habit that increases your risk: eating late at night. When you eat close to bedtime, your body struggles to process sugar efficiently, and that messes with your insulin levels. So, if you're a midnight snack lover, maybe it's time to rethink that. Number 3, migraines. Skipping meals can actually trigger severe headaches. Why? Because your brain runs on glucose. And when your sugar levels drop suddenly, boom, then you got migraine attack. Number 4, insomnia. We're all guilty of this one, scrolling on our phones late at night. But screens give off blue light, which blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. That's why you end up staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m. Number 5, dementia. Watching TV for hours may sound harmless, but studies show prolonged inactivity of the brain increases the risk of memory decline. Your brain loves being challenged, so maybe you swap one TV episode with a puzzle, book, or even chatting with a friend. Okay, now to the stomach, probably where most of our bad habits hide. Number 6, acid reflux. Do you lie down right after eating? That's a big no. When you lie down, gravity can't help your stomach, and acid flows back up, causing that horrible burning feeling. Number 7, gastritis. Eating too fast means you're swallowing half-chewed food, making your stomach work overtime. Remember, digestion starts in your mouth, not your stomach. Number 8, gut issues. Not drinking enough water can slow digestion, cause constipation, and even mess up your gut bacteria. So grab that water bottle, your gut will thank you. Number 9, anemia. Did you know drinking tea with meals reduces iron absorption? Tea has compounds called tannins that block iron, and that can make anemia worse. Number 10, kidney stones. The less water you drink, the more concentrated your urine becomes, and that's how stones form. Number 11, heart disease. Lack of physical activity is a killer. Just 30 minutes of walking daily can lower your risk drastically. Number 12, osteoporosis and vitamin D deficiency. Avoiding sunlight or staying indoors too much, that's how bones get weak. Sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, and without it, calcium can't do its job. Number 13, liver problems. Eating processed foods overloads your liver with toxins and fats. Think chips, sodas, and packaged snacks. Your liver hates those. Number 14, asthma. Being in a dusty environment constantly triggers asthma attacks. Clean surroundings and fresh air can make a huge difference. Number 15, anxiety. And finally, constant social media use. Scrolling endlessly can make your brain restless, fuel comparison, and worsen anxiety. Sometimes a digital detox is the best therapy. So, which of these habits are you guilty of? Be honest. I know I'm guilty of sleeping late night. The good news is, habits can be changed. And small changes today can prevent big diseases tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips and facts that can actually change your life. Stay healthy and positive, and I'll see you in the next video.